हाँ, मैं एक लड़की हूँ। मेरा नाम राशि है। मुझे फुटबॉल खेलना अच्छा लगता है। मेरा फेवरेट कलर ब्लू है। मुझे घर का काम करना अच्छा नहीं लगता, पर माँ कहती है तू एक लड़की है, घर का काम सीखो। हाँ, मैं एक लड़का हूँ। मेरा नाम रोहित है। मुझे भरतनाट्यम करना अच्छा लगता है। माय फेवरेट कलर इज पिंक। माँ कहती है पिंक तो गर्ल्स का कलर होता है। मैं बोलता हूँ माँ रिलैक्स, इट्स जस्ट अ कलर. Hello and welcome to Rabbi Rashi Foundation. The real empowerment comes when every person 0 to 100 years plus can make a decision after our initiative is 3. I am Generation Equality in collaboration with CBT Care. Pooja Singh is the founder of CBT Care. Pooja Singh is a de-addiction cognitive behavioral therapist, specialist in anxiety and personality disorders. And her extensive study in the field of behavior is amazing. So Pooja ji, आप हमें बताइए, starting from age 0 to 15 years, what helps growth mindset, concentration and focus in girls, especially since we are doing this initiative especially for women
Hi,
empowerment.
Rashi, first of all, great initiative. Glad to be a part of it. And before I go on to address any of your questions, let me clarify that we are not targeting all children. हम सारे बच्चों की बात नहीं कर रहे. We are specifically targeting our gender, only the girl child. Therefore, the information that I share with you will not be generic ज्ञान. बच्चों का concentration कैसे बढ़ाया जाए ये बात नहीं कर रहे हैं हम. हम ये बात कर रहे हैं कि लड़कियों का self empowerment, उनका concentration कैसे बढ़ाया जाए. So what I am going to bring to you is going to be small stones, small snippets of information. So think of me as that गिलहरी जो राम जी के ब्रिज में बड़े बड़े पत्थर जोड़ने के लिए छोटे छोटे stones लाती है. That is what I am going to bring to you. क्योंकि हमें concentration बढ़ाने के लिए क्या करना है, ये information हमारे पास नेट पे भरपूर available है. What we are talking about is कि लड़कियों में ये issue क्यों हम ज्यादा face करते हैं as opposed to boys. Highly impressionable age groups. 0 to 5 में हम बिलीव करते हैं, हमारा एक सर्टन इंप्रेशन होता है जो 5 to 10 में चेंज हो जाता है, जो 10 to 15 में फिर चेंज होता है. नाउ सीबीटी अंडरस्टैंड्स दैट देयर आर सर्टन कोर बिलीव्स जो हमारे बचपन में अंडर 5 इयर्स में उसका सीड गिर जाता है हमारे दिमाग में, और वो सीड बाद में निकालना, चेंज करना, इट इज अ चोर. सो इफ वी आर केयरफुल कि हम ये सीड पहले प्लांट ही नहीं करें, that will change the entire mindset completely. 0 to 5, what are we doing to our girls which is messing with their growth mindset? First, the kind of literature we are exposing them to. All damsels in distress, Red Riding Hood, सबको आके किसी ने बचाया, and then they were saved, and then they lived happily ever after. That is when we have planted the seed of saying that somebody will come and save you. We don't plant the seed in boys. We say you have to go and save somebody else. So we have to change this at that level जो हम literature एक 0 to 5 year की लड़की को expose कर रहे हैं. When she feels कि हाँ मुझे कोई नहीं बचाएगा, मुझे अपने आप को बचाना है, automatically वो ज़्यादा focus करेगी अपनी पढ़ाई पे भी, अपने काम पे भी, हर चीज पे, because she knows कि I have to save myself, right? The second issue that I see in this age segment a lot, and very sadly, it is about people who are trying to motivate the girl child. तो हमारा बेटा है, You are my son. अरे आपकी तो 2 लड़कियां हैं, आपके फार्म है, अरे आजकल तो लड़कियां भी बहुत काम करती हैं तो हमारे लड़के जैसा ही है. The moment you say that, you have told her that you are not good enough and you are only good enough when you are a boy, and so she automatically starts to maybe even imbibe and say कि look, I have to become a boy. So 2 things for under 5 which I think have to change, and they have to change because that will then lay the foundation जिसमें हम उसके growth mindset का बीज डाल सकते हैं. तो ये तो आप, so as parents, as a general society, we stop treating a child under 5 as any gender. क्या मतलब क्या बनता है 5 साल के छोटे बच्चे का जेंडर? तू लड़की है, तू लड़का है. Why?
You're listening to a Sojcast original. After this, browse our lineup on the Sojcast app. Maybe another Soj will capture your imagination there. Now let's get back to this Sojcast.
Then let's go on to 5 to 10. Now this segment is when we start seeing heroes and we start getting inspired. It can be a film actress, it can be your own mother, it can be your dadi, so whoever. Now generally women get inspired by women. So as a girl child, I get inspired by my mother. My mother is my first hero. And my mother is sad and sacrificial and doing all the housework and keeping quiet even when Papa is saying the wrong thing. Automatically, I tell myself, कि हाँ ऐसे ऐसे करना होता है, मामा भी ऐसे करती हैं, मुझे भी ऐसे करना है. So again, that change has to come from the already existing female gender segment. So and the second most important thing here that I find is we start telling the girl, ठीक से बैठो, तुम लड़की हो, ठीक से बैठो. ठीक से बैठो क्या होता है? कंफर्टेबली बैठो. भाई आप ऐसे चौड़े होके क्यों बैठते हैं? आप कंफर्टेबल हैं, आपकी बैक दुख रही है, whatever, right? ठीक से बैठो means sit in such a posture that you seem coy, with your legs around you, and all your I'll tell you about myself, Rashi. Born and brought up in a small town. I've traveled the globe extensively. Till today, I take a scarf when I walk out because बचपन से दुपट्टे की आदत. Why? Because हमको repeatedly बोला गया, what are we hiding? आप अपना हाथ छुपा रहे हो, आप मतलब why are we hiding? It's not that it's exposed, right? So that is the thing that we make a girl aware that look, you are a girl, bit from 5 to 10. You are a girl और तुम्हें अपनी protection in this segment, sexual protection तुम्हारी अपनी है, बाकी तुमको कोई बचाने आएगा. So we've shifted that onus back. So the first 5 years we tell the girl somebody will come to save you. Then the next 5 years we tell her you have to protect yourself. Okay, sudden clash. So in all of this, growth mindset कहाँ से आएगा? Because she is just juggling her gender constantly, right? If she going to school, she is being told, from 0 to 5, we are much more easy. From 5 to 10, those jokes start. ये लड़का कौन है? Why are you talking to this boy? Those jokes are very different when we are talking to a boy. Aha, ये लड़की कौन है? But so again, we have instantly told her that you are not in that category and we have to stop doing that. So that is again a very important thing. A growth mindset comes when we lay the right seed. एक बार उस बच्चे को ये पता पड़ गया, लड़का या लड़की कोई भी, कि मुझे अपनी looking after करनी है. I have to grow, I have to feed myself, and I have to contribute positively to the society. That tree will flourish on its own. The 10 to 15 segment. This one is very crucial. This is when the girl hits her puberty also, right? So she gets in touch with her initial sexuality. And what we do instantly at this point is squash it. Like, अच्छी लड़कियां ऐसे नहीं सोचती हैं, अच्छी लड़कियां लड़कों से बात नहीं करती, अच्छी लड़कियां ये नहीं करती. So a normal, physical, natural attribute, we shut it down. तो जब अच्छी लड़कियां ये नहीं करती हैं तो अच्छी लड़कियां क्या करती हैं? अच्छी लड़कियां दूसरों को look after करती हैं. We are bringing up nurses. We are not bringing up girls. So in these 3 segments, the growth mindset suffers very badly in a girl. And then you expect her suddenly to be this empowered woman. Doesn't happen. You will notice a lot of women are getting empowered post 40.
Can't be denied what she just put across, that we have to start real early to get the power within, or rather feel the power within. Okay, so Pooja Singh, please tell us how to tackle mood swings, bad company till the age of 15 years.
This one, we don't see too much of it in 0 to 5. Because 0 to 5, एक बच्चे के mood swings, एक लड़की के mood swings और एक लड़के के mood swings pretty much similar होते हैं. Teach good and bad touch to both your children, both your genders, girls as well as boys. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? We are hiding our girls from the world. So what we are saying is कि देखो बाहर नहीं जाना, दुनिया बुरी है. देखो बाहर जो गंदा गंदा हो रहा है ना, वो डॉटर को नहीं बताओ, उसको वो कोप नहीं कर पाएगी बेचारी. So a girl is growing up in a fluff candy world, and then you start sending her to school, and she starts seeing कि जो मेरा candy floss world है और जो ये world बाहर है, इसमें तो बहुत difference है. Difference क्या है? It's completely 2 different scales. So then comes the shock element, and here a person retaliates. Now they don't know कि ये करना है कि ये करना है. So a reality check from day one of any child. Look, ये भी होता है, ये भी होता है, ये भी होता है. To empower a girl, you have to expose her to the power of the world. Only then she will get empowered, right? So then 0 to 5 again, talk to your child about things that are happening as you would talk to your male child. Then 5 to 10, again, keep them very well acquainted with what the world is. The major slip happens between 10 to 15. Now here, Rashi, I'll share something very personal to me. What we are noticing in the addiction arena is that in the last 5 years, there's been a rapid rise in female addiction rate. And there has been a rapid rise because the carrier of the drug has now become a woman. Because the law says that a woman cannot be frisked if a female cop is not standing there with you, right? Now, if the female cop is not standing there with you, the woman is able to carry the substance between the states much more easily as opposed to a man. So men have started targeting women who carry the substance for them. Now, how will they carry the substance for them? When they are first made addicted to the substance themselves. Now, when you say how to stay away from bad company, you can only stay away from bad company when you know what bad company is. When you say कि ये अच्छा है, ये बुरा है, नहीं, ये बताना ही नहीं है अगर आपने. So how are you? Now, these are girls who are coming here to study for IELTS or, parlors में job करने के लिए. And they are getting sucked into a completely different segment, right? And very quickly. And this age group is 10 to 15. Girls from villages who come into the city to better their skill set, to get empowered. But because they are not aware of what they are playing with, they get burnt. So, how to stay away from bad company? Be aware of it. And how to be aware of it will come from self-realization, of course, also, but also from parents, other people. We have to stop hiding our daughters. We have to stop saying, नहीं, वहाँ नहीं जाना, वहाँ बुरे लोग हैं. बुरे लोगों को मिलेगी नहीं, तो बुरे लोगों से combat कैसे करेगी? I'll give you an example and you'll understand instantly. जब हम एक लड़का 10, 11, 12 साल का होता है ना, तो हम उसको कहने लगते हैं, चल पापा के संग जा, लोगों से मिल, दुनियादारी सीख. ये दुनियादारी हमारी लड़कियों को भी सीखनी है. Again, ये दुनियादारी हम सीखते हैं, पर by the time we hit 40. So we are getting a late start like that. So that.
This was absolutely delightful what you just said and very informative. But you must never ever let them take those flames from within your soul. Instead, you must burn brighter than ever because you are a woman. Stop saying this कि मैं लड़की हूँ और तुम लड़की हो.